and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a United Monograms clothing haul. I am freaking out. The haul is so good and I'm so excited to share all these pieces with you guys. They are so fun and festive, but they're also just really cute pieces that I'm really excited and grateful that I get to share with you guys. I personally love monograms. I'm a strong believer if it's not moving, monogram it. Your monogram is all of your initials into like a little design. I will put some examples over here, but my monogram is KMC. So K is my first name initial, M is my last name because your last name goes in the middle if you are a girl, and then C is my middle name initial. I think it's so cute. United Monograms did a fantastic job monogramming everything I picked out, and I'm so excited to share with you guys this haul. If you guys aren't already, definitely check out United Monograms on their Instagram, and I will have their website along with other details in the description box down below in case you guys want to check it out. But we're just gonna get started on this haul because everything is just so fun. I gotta show you all the pieces real quick. I have so much to share with you guys and I'm so excited. So these are in no particular order. I did get a few seasonal festive pieces that I'm really excited to wear this upcoming holiday season. But the first item I wore in a lookbook recently, which I will insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it so you guys can see it. But it is just really cute red raincoat. I'm a sucker for raincoats, especially monogrammed ones. So I just got my monogram in white. I thought it looked really good with the red. I thought this red would be perfect all year round, but it's also very festive since it is like a holiday color. My favorite thing about this raincoat is it's lined, which I've never had a lined raincoat before, so it's just a little bit warmer than your traditional raincoat, which is awesome going into the fall and winter. It is a 1/4 zip raincoat with a really big pocket on the bottom. I absolutely love it. You can tie up the bottom if you want to. The arm sleeves are a little tight too, so I love it. It's a Charles River Apparel raincoat, which I love that brand. All my raincoats are from them. It's a nice quality raincoat. The monogram looks fantastic, and I got this in a size small, so it does have a little bit of an oversized look to it. I also got another raincoat. So like I mentioned, I love a good raincoat. I think they're really fun, but they're also nice pieces to have all year round, but it definitely makes a rainy day more fun, especially if you love what you're wearing. So this is just a purple lilac raincoat. I thought a white monogram would look cute on it just because the colors blend really well together. This is a different style monogram. I love it. I think it's so classic looking. So it is the same 1/4 zip with that big pocket, but this one is not lined. So it's just kind of like your traditional raincoat. It's just kind of like a sweatshirt material, where the other one's kind of more of a fleece. Super cute. I got this in a size medium, so again, it's going to be a little bit bigger, but the same details. It's scrunches up at the bottom, little scrunchy sleeves. I think it's so cute, and I think this will be really fun, especially in the spring, just because it's a nice pastel color. Next thing I got is the last thing that's not seasonal, and this one is a little outside my comfort zone. I don't really own a lot of this color, and it is this like dark green color. It has a black circle monogram on it, which I think is so cute. On their website, the model who was showing off this outfit looked so cute that I was like, okay, I want it. I want to look that cute, and I love it. It's just like a cropped hoodie, so it's short, and the model was wearing it with a black denim skirt, which I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a black denim skirt. I think it's a cute look. I think that'd be really fun for the fall with some black booties, but I also feel like this would look really cute with some leggings and some black Nikes, kind of as an athleisure outfit, perfect for online classes and working from home. It is seriously so stinking soft, you guys. Like, it's just like the perfect hoodie. I got this in a size medium, but it's just so soft, you guys. I'm so excited to wear this. And then I have a bunch of crew necks to share with you guys, and I'm so excited. I love a fun monogrammed crew neck. So it is a football season. Your girl is not the biggest sports fan. Like, I watch it, but I don't really watch it. I'm more there for like the food and just to kind of hang out with my family and everything. So I don't have a sports team, but I think this would be really cute if you do have a sports team. So I got this little football monogram crew neck because I never know what to wear when I like watch football with people, but I thought it'd be cute and comfortable, but also it'd be a great Super Bowl shirt. And I think what's really fun is if you have a team and they have like a certain color, you could totally get your team's color as your monogram. I got navy just because I feel like it would look cute with jeans, so I love it. I think this is my new Sunday shirt because it's football Sunday, and I think it's just a perfect fall sweatshirt. Again, if you're in high school and you have Friday night football games, I think this would be so stinking cute with your school color in it. Just something to think about. I absolutely love it, and I was like, ooh, add to cart. The next thing is more of a Halloween type shirt, which I might have to save till next Halloween, but I think November I still can count. And it says, "This is my scary movie watching shirt," which I just thought was so cute. I'm not a huge scary movie fan, but I feel like having a shirt for it will encourage that. So it's super cute. It has my monogram and the little cat, which I just love. So it's just a little KMC, and it's just like really fun. I feel like this would be fun if you're at home during Halloween or just like during October and November to watch scary movies in with some PJs. I love it. I just think the black and orange is just a really cute color combo. Now I have a few like Christmas holiday sweaters that I think are so much fun. So this one I saw on their Instagram last year, and when I saw it I was like, I have to get it. I want it so bad. And it says, "This is my Christmas movie watching shirt," and it has the Grinch, Home Alone, Elf, and Christmas Vacation on it, and then your monograms in the little coffee mug, which I think is absolutely adorable. Those are some of my favorite Christmas movies, and I love having like a nice sweatshirt to wear them in just to stay all bundled up when you're watching them. So I think this is going to be so much fun. I got all of these crew necks in a size medium for size reference, just so they're a little bit oversized, but I love this font too. I feel like it's so cute. The next Christmas sweatshirt that I got is this one that has a bunch of cookies on it. It's a nice gray color, which I really gravitate towards that color a lot. So they just have little different Christmas cookies, and then your monograms in the bottom heart one, which I think is so fun. I love a good monogram, and I love making holiday cookies, so this one was kind of special and fun to pick out. I feel like this would look so cute just with a pair of jeans, or you could put even like an Oxford or a button up underneath it to kind of dress it up. And the last Christmas piece I got is by far my favorite, because you guys know I love the color pink, and it's kind of hard to mix pink into your wardrobe during the holidays just because I feel like sometimes it can be hard to mix pink and red, and this sweatshirt does a great job at it. So it says, "Christmas is so fetch," which is totally a Mean Girls reference, which is one of my favorite movies. It's so funny, and it just has my monogram right there, but I love how it's pink, you guys. I feel like this is going to be so much fun to wear some pink on my Instagram feed during the holidays. I love it. I'm going to be wearing this like crazy come December. I'm so excited about it. And then I have two more pieces to share with you guys, and this one I think I will personally wear all year round, but it's a great New Year's or close to New Year's sweatshirt, and it is so cute. So it's just this pink crew neck, and it says "Cheers" with a little champagne bottle. It has my monogram, but this monogram is a little bit different since it's just my first and last name initial. But my favorite detail is this little heart right there. I feel like that is just so cute and so extra, but I love this. I'm going to be wearing this all the time, but I think this will be great for New Year's or New Year's Eve or just like that week. And then the last item I got is this super cute Valentine's Day inspired t-shirt. So I personally love Valentine's Day because it's all pink and red and there's tons of hearts. That's just like, I guess you could say, my aesthetic. And I know I'm going to be wearing this shirt all year, but it was in the Valentine's Day category, and it's just this white t-shirt with a bunch of little hearts on it, and then it has your monogram in the middle, which I think is so cute. If you guys don't know, over on my Instagram, Kellyprespster, I do the 45 days of pink challenge that I've created. So starting on January 1st up until Valentine's Day, I wear pink for 45 days, and it's so much fun. If you use the hashtag 45 days of pink, I will repost your outfit on my Instagram story, and it's archived in a highlight reel on my Instagram, which is so much fun. And it's just a really fun way to encourage wearing pink, and I think pink is just such a happy, cheerful color that I love spreading that with you guys, and I think this will look so cute during the 45 days of pink challenge. So I'm excited to style this, and I'm honestly so excited to style all of these pieces. So a huge shout out to United Monograms for sending me all of these clothes. I'm seriously so grateful, and I can't wait to style all of them. Be sure to check out my Instagram again just so you can see how I style them in the future. But if you guys would like a whole video on styling them or more about them, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will get working on something like that. I will have everything linked down below in the description box in case you guys are interested. And I just hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and be sure to check out United Monograms. And if you made it this far, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!